Welcome to Luxinar. Please complete our health questionnaire prior to your visit. If you haven't done this when you arrive at our site, you will have to complete it outside in your car. Once this is authorised by our directors, you will then be able to enter our site. If you become aware that you may have COVID-19 after you have submitted your form, please immediately cancel your site visit. If you bring anything onto our site, it is your responsibility to ensure it is looked after and is not used by anyone other than you. On entering our site, your temperature will be taken. If you have a fever reading, you will not gain admission. Please ensure that you keep socially distanced and wherever possible, try and stay 2 meters apart. No handshakes, please. It is easy to forget, but no physical contact is allowed. Wearing a face mask is mandatory at all times. We can supply one if you have forgotten yours. Please use our hand sanitizers as often as you like. We have them located 30 meters apart throughout our facility. We have a one-way system throughout the building, which your host will explain, as well as how to use our canteen facility safely. We have a working lift to the first floor. Please make sure no more than 2 people use the lift at any one time. We have put in place additional cleaning to keep all staff and visitors safe. Please follow the rules, as this helps to ensure social distancing. In non-COVID times, you will sign in at reception when you arrive on site. It is your host's responsibility to ensure you sign in and out of our building. Our fire alarm tests take place on a Friday before 8 AM. If the alarm sounds at any other time, you must vacate the premises. Follow your host or make your way as quickly as possible to our assembly point, which is in our main car park to the west of our building. Everybody is expected to wear safety footwear in all areas of the facility except the directors' offices. If you do not have safety footwear, your host can provide overshoes. On all areas of the production floor, plus any area where lasers operate, and in the technology and innovation labs, you will be required to wear an overall. Your host will supply one in a size to fit. In all areas where lasers may be operating, you must wear laser safety glasses. Your host can supply these. If your visit involves you entering our machine workshop, your host will supply safety glasses. Earplugs are also readily available should you require them. Thank you for following our safety rules. At the end of your visit, your host will take back any PPE that we have provided. Please remember to sign out when leaving the building. Have a safe journey to your destination.